Hello friends, I'm Sanskar here, and in this lesson I'll be showing you how to create lists with HTML Notepad. Okay, now first of all, this is the code. So here's the order list. First of all, let's check out the order list. This is the order list means you have a sequence of numbers like football, cricket. Let's open this with Notepad. Yeah, so the code of this OL order list actually is between the body, and is OL means ordered list. Okay, and this LI is the list item, and this shows the item in the list. Suppose I have to add one more item, that could be basketball, and one more that could be rugby. I don't have to close this tag because this is an empty element, and this is the close OL tag. Let's save it. Yeah, you can see here 1 2 3 4, it comes automatically as we list the item. So suppose there's one more thing in this OL tag. We have a type element in OL type. You can choose any one of them to denote the number, like this 1 2 3 4. You can change this to A B C D and small a b c d and Roman numerals. So for that we use type. And suppose we use we want to use this big capital A, I mean large characters like uppercase characters. So we're gonna just, yeah, this is the type. I'm gonna save it. Now you can see A B C D. Now if we go on and change this to small a and save it, it will list small a b c d. Now we're going to choose this small Roman numeral, small Roman numerals come here, and if you choose the big one, yeah, the big one comes, and by default it is numeric order list 1 2 3 4. So there's one more thing in this. They're gonna start element also. This start elements, suppose I want to start with 5 6 7 8. I want a list that goes on with like 5 6 7 8. I want 5 6 7 8 in place of these, so I'll be using start from 5, so that I can get 5 6 7 8. And as you can see, if you do this A, you're gonna have E F G H, and if you're gonna do this like this, you're gonna 5 6 7 8. So you saw this was a beauty of order list. So you now know how to create an ordered list. So let's move further in this lesson, and let's know how to create an unordered list. Unordered list doesn't have the numerals, they have the bullets. Okay, and in the unordered list it is the same as ordered list. This is the code for unordered list in the body, list item. Yeah, and I'm gonna create more. Okay, now we have this, and let's save it. Yeah, here's are the bullets. By default it is the bullets. And let's see the types of this. In the types we have actually a circle and disk and and a square. You can choose any one of them. Yeah, so let's check out what is the disk one. Disk one is the hollow disk. Sorry, it is a circle one, the hollow circle. Yeah, now it is the disk one. Maybe is the bullets. Yeah, the disk one is the bullets. And then let's go on to the square. Yeah, here's the square one. So now you also know how to create an unordered list. You might be thinking that why don't we use the start tag, because the start tag doesn't matter because these are all in the figure shapes, so these are not in the numerals or alphabets, so it doesn't matter you use start or not, it won't cause anything to it. So let's move on further and use the definition list. Here's the definition list to show the definitions on a web page. So I don't know about the definition, it is right or wrong, so I don't know much about math, sorry. Okay, now here's the code. The definition list is denoted by DL, yeah, and the definition term is denoted by DT, is the constant, yeah, and the definition data you say is denoted by DD. So this is the next definition again. If we type DT, DD, and then we have a closed definition list. Okay, now if I let you show it to you, it's a bit confusing. Okay, now here's the DL definition list is started, and we have to type DT, which shows we have to get a definition term. So if I we're gonna have a definition term as constant, then we have to give the definition of it. To give the definition, we will be use definition data tag DD, and I'm going to type the definition. Constants are the quantities that are fixed. Okay, if we want to have another definition, we're going to use another DT definition term. Variable is the definition term we will be using, and the definition is variable are the quantities that are not fixed and keeps changing. So now you can see we've got this, and we have a close deal tag when I save it. Yeah, here's the constant variable, sorry, keeps changing. Okay, now you know how to create an ordered list, unordered list, and a definition list. So thanks for watching this lesson or tutorial, and see you at the next lesson. Till then, goodbye.